What's up guys, it's Eric from B-Side. Today we have here a 2016 Mercedes GLE 350 and we're going to be installing this plug-and-play ShiftPower throttle response controller. We could get this installed in literally 5 minutes. Well, the car will be accelerating much faster than it used to be. It's a very exciting product. Let's go ahead, get inside the vehicle and get it installed. Alright guys, so before we install this, make sure after you turn off your vehicle, lock your vehicle once and then unlock it with your key fob just to ensure that no electric circuit is going through the acceleration pedal. So once you do that, unlock your vehicle again, open the door like this, come inside, grab your kit, and we already went ahead and did it, but you're gonna have to connect the switch over here to this little 2-pin plug like this. Just plugs right in. So once you do that, I'm gonna go ahead and duck under the driver's side, the acceleration pedal area, and then look up and we'll find that plug that we need to plug this into. Okay, so once you come down here, just duck your head like this. You'll find the other under panel piece. Just go ahead and press it up a little bit, and then right there, that's the plug. And this one, it's sticking out enough so that you could go ahead and just go in here, press on the release tab on the right side, and then while pressing that, you're gonna pull it up like this. All right, so once you have it removed like this, go ahead and grab our kit. And it's going to be all daisy chain. So one part, our female side of our kit is going to plug into the male side that originally plugged into the car. Okay, and it'll clip right in. And you can push that in like that. And then you're going to plug this in. Okay. All right, and lock in place. All right, and then we're going to tuck this in behind here. Okay, make sure it's tucked in there pretty good to ensure that it won't fall off. All right, so let's go ahead and tuck all this in, all these wires. There's some tension on this so that the wires you tuck in here shouldn't come out unless you purposely pull on this panel piece. So that's pretty good, and we're gonna go ahead and just release our double-sided tape and plug it in. All right, so before we do this, we are going to go ahead and set up our phone. To do that, I'm gonna go ahead and refer to our other video. So after you turn on the engine, what you wanna do is download the ShiftPower application, and how you do that is go to your app here. I already went ahead and searched it, ShiftPower FileTech. And then go ahead and press the install and then open. And after you open up the app, you want to click on this vehicle button, and then you'll find it. You'll find your ShiftPower device. Go ahead and connect it. It's gonna ask you for the password, and the password is going to be written on the user manual. Go ahead and pair it, and then you will select your vehicle, Tacoma, and then once you selected it, you'll notice that it's already on green. So every time you press the button, your app will change real time. Sport, Super Sport, that's orange, and then Race, that's red. Press it again, it'll turn white, which is turned off. And let me give you a little example. So at the off position, if you accelerate, you can see the vehicle's acceleration and ShiftPower's acceleration. It's going to be the same. And then you press it once, it'll jump to 25%. And you'll notice that the ShiftPower acceleration is going to be a little bit more than the original. All right, there it is. Press it one more time. Sport, it's going to be more aggressive. Super Sport, even more aggressive. And then Race, super aggressive, very sensitive. And you can also fine tune this setting by going to the setting button here, most settings. So if there's a specific percentage that you would rather prefer, you could go ahead and change it over here. And then on top of that, you can change the throttle curve to be linear, which is straight, dynamic, or exponential, which has the most easing in curve. So exponential will probably be the easiest to drive, unless of course you're just trying to peel out and do donuts. It will want it to be linear. So exponential, we'll try at Race. So with exponential, the acceleration will build up more as you're pushing it down more. Okay, on top of that, we also have what's called a valet mode. So at the valet mode, you can actually adjust how much percentage is the maximum acceleration between 15 to 45% when you're valeting your vehicle, so that you don't have to worry about the valet driver peeling out with your car and being reckless with it. And at the same time, we also have the throttle lock mode. So when you lock your throttle, this is for a secondary theft deterrent device. Say that they get your engine turned on, and even when they accelerate, nothing is going to happen to the vehicle. It won't move. Alright, now that it's down here, you could tell that it is synced. And looking at how the colors change together. Alright, now let's go ahead and go for a test drive. Alright, so we're in the vehicle now, and we're gonna go for a test drive by Dave. So right now it's in the off position. Alright, let's go 50. We're at sport mode now. Okay. So this is 50% linear curve.
Yeah, it's gonna go. I don't know if you guys are. You can hear the engine.
Oh yeah.
And I'm not even flooring it. If that's 50%.
Yep, that's 50%.
So there you go. It gets there real quick.
Alright. Is that a big difference from the factory?
Oh, absolutely. Yeah. Absolutely. Even at 50, it's, you know, it's real quick.
Should we try 100 after we make this U-turn?
You can do 100 and bypass 75. Fine with me.
Let's go 100. Alright, we'll try 100. That's 75, and this is 100.
So it's going to go quick.
Woo!
I'm already spinning tires.
Wow.
Be careful, because when you give it gas, it's going to want to go on you. And that's what it does.
Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and lower this to 25, and let's go ahead and pull back in. Very mild.
Yeah, it'll still make you happy. Happier, because it's got that little takeoff that you want.
Alright guys, well that does it. Thanks for watching our demonstration installation of our ShiftPower throttle response controllers. Dave really likes it. I'm sure you will too. If you're looking for that extra power acceleration on your vehicle, this is it. Give us a try. You won't be disappointed. Any other questions? Shoot us an email at info@bsonicusa.com, or you could leave a comment below and I will respond to you directly. If you haven't yet, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and also give us that thumbs up. Thank you very much for watching.